megalayapost.news.
กลุ่มชิบันตาบันปลียากลัดกัลันตียากิคนสำลากันเทบชันรังหากบันเซยากระซับหากจิงเอลากายรานาร์para kajuk opor bang kentiu ya kan kami alakai ranar lani ka weightlifting hapo athem riboy district nakaliang ka riboy weightlifting association kala pembana ban pelong ya ka lumpung ya ka ranar ya ka balatip kum ka meghalaya invitation weightlifting tournament arja apsan ka ba arsngi hakaba an yasnok tilang bat ka meghalaya weightlifting association ya kan ka jing pembana la pembana do ba Anthony Carneor kumu presiden ka riboy weightlifting association haka jinga don langru uba Donald Rembai presiden ka meghalaya weightlifting association bat u Vikram Ali co-founder ka Sportality nakaliang kita kinongelam ka weightlifting association kila itu baik ka negalumpung on pelong haka indoor hall kumlang kadai kata naduk kharwe trek yayong bat on pukut pat haka khar trek yayong kila itu ru bah kharwe trek yayong kandon ka jing ajing hikai yakino hikai lani ki coach ki bakwa ban petbet shu haka ne ka jing lakai weightlifting bat haka khat artrik uyayong kan sadon pat gajing kon ranar mansawani sibenta da kinoi lakai na kiwe ki district nakaliang ka riboy weightlifting association ka khot kawer ki pajba bakinwan bania sakilang ya kan kalumpung kenang makan long kum gajing ai mensiam ki noi lakai bat kum juru ya kinong penyat bakinang la ban peteng bat ban kentiu ya kan gajing lakai hapo ajala mekhalia
nakaliang jawa presiden juga riboy weightlifting association coba bicim ni kabu ban ai gajing kublai ya Sir Vikram lawan kenangan ni distrik Kejungi balik ke Meghalaya weightlifting association ke bala ai ni lat pulang ya ke Meghalaya invitation weightlifting tournament hak bangi la khot songpa kam league open mala shu jit la khot songpa na ki khat league district mendan kemba sopo tam ke nongila kai bat tinggi tinggi kai kan dan sedang coaching bulan isar hak kharwi tarik dan coaching bulan sini bat khat tarik pada competition lagi kan thai bat cendang hak dan hadu sport league category di nakalian tinggi yang prepare dah kejing rap dengan Sportality ke ban kerjaan ini di ban kindan ki menyerap napo asam ki technical official anu napo asam nuan ban dah kejing dalang jong Robert Kabas mulang mana di sebuah majelis jong ka Olympic di ban ai musim ini kena tinggi ban ai kejing kai dengan khot ngiweru na ka riboy weightlifting sen khot ngiweri pai ba di kepat di peniwan berwitness kamtam haka atrik competition nomor riboy dari number 1 haka state jengi haka liang ka weightlifting hadu mata last mile game yo sandli ki gold sandli serba ba atli ki bronze medal dengan lagi sport di kategori yo sport ligi medal de ngakerpat ki peran kamtam di bahajan dan player mawati mata ki dan apo ketinggi ram besar wei na pom pam sim bantai skam lingdo bat balawan swa karkongon kita kidang rong apa kasep program apa kejingi pnia Sportality bilang rong mentau sedam April tinggi ai kublai kirung ai kublai yesan ai kublai badip kejing simkian ka MSA ban rong ni kena bandan ka scholarship ke Arsenal manikai ki ban train ki bagian kiu ceprang tinggi khot ngewe dak lain ni ki pai ba bagian wan tinggi sini ka atri kejing la kai sedang ka khrui biji seneng khrui biji jeng thai bat ar biji jeng senrang
Siat media di Balaiwan Hangne, dan mentang sini ngidan Hangne apa sekedar apa DC office, banten benar ba ngidan ngidan jingin akai dalam Meghalaya weightlifting, bat ke company dengan sports talents, sports society talents, bat ayo, Sir Vikram, di ba one of the limne, Sir Vikram itu ba pek yang dengan company provide apa Meghalaya, ban kumno ban penkiu yang kami lifting apa kreasi jongi apa seru support karo ban penkiu yang tak kami lifting kini kita lagi menon penkiu menon rak kita gitar kita rak ki coach ban ai ki kon practice naru bagi ki knarit yang kita bakal nang biang ngerta dengan ai boleh bagi lawan komputer di lawan terus ni ilapo apa ipo ini sabje iwan portale dengan ai boleh in sim bagi jet nang kong yang ini apa riboy banila kaya kan nega weightlifting nang ba nang ni sa separate sabaro we kari kasi sapo barkot namar ba ngitin ki kumno ye weightlifting dengan aku boleh nere ikan ibadep ikan secretary jengi nasional ibadep advisor sekali riboy ma tengah weightlifting ikan Anthony Carneor ni ibadep presiden jaga riboy district te ngang ne pak batasai ba ngilong badan bab napo ka Meghalaya weightlifting ngakung presiden bangila yate mentap kan ka company sports talents ma namar ba in kiu ikna hapori kasi jongi bal kumno bagi nak kaya ne weightlifting bakane ko weightlifting kada ka pau ba hapo notice hapo India ro te ni long badan bak bagi lai te sekular bagi ka company bagi trai yang menta bentuk kiu ya kikna nam tak sports te menta kendor ke cepet ke beram yi jeng beram bagi kawan mi mo ban ti ke jengai bagi penkiu ya kan rekasi jongi barkat mereka lihat nam tak ka beli tim bagi yok atau keluar bagi lakai hak nasional hak internasional hak waktu hak olimpik bagi kaum Manipur kalau ijab apa ke olimpik te mengi beli ngimla te kan sampai ke puar bagi ni saya kos hek usok babah te mentang yang beram ya isa
President of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Mr. Donald Rimbai, Mr. Dipshawn, Podium Committee Chairman from Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the General Secretary of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Mr. Butskem, it's a little difficult to pronounce the name, and the Secretary of President of Viboy Weightlifting Association, Mr. Anthony. So we are privileged to be part of this weightlifting event that we are organizing. Just to let you know, as Sportality is already involved in the talent identification of young aspiring athletes and talent across Meghalaya. So based on the data and the scientific analysis and the numbers and the results that we have found, weightlifting is the #1 sport that is as per the evaluation of the data that we have gathered, weightlifting is the #1 sport for the current talents that we have identified. So there is a huge scope of growing weightlifting in Meghalaya. That is one of the reasons why Sportality is interested in doing this event. Going forward, we are interested in doing much more events at a bigger scale. Idea behind doing this event is to ensure that the young talent get a chance to showcase their talent. We are able to identify more talent in weightlifting besides the talent identification program that is already going on. Not only the athletes but also giving opportunity to the coaches to learn from the international coaching team that Sportality has. We have our director weightlifting, Mr. Robert Kabas, who is the silver medalist in Olympic Games. So there is an already ongoing weightlifting program. This is the Super Elite Pathway program, and the weightlifters there are already doing great, showing great results based on their age. So similarly, we are looking at promoting weightlifting across Meghalaya and ensure that Meghalaya turns into the #1 weightlifting state within this region, and also later on it starts producing international weightlifters who go and represent India in international and Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games. So this is the long-term approach that we are looking at, but we are starting with Riboy, as Riboy currently has the major number of talents that we have identified, and we hope that with this tournament the talent is identified across Meghalaya, and we will in future we will also do similar events in other districts also to promote weightlifting and this will have a very good effect in the other northeastern states also. So we want to develop a system where weightlifting develops not only in Meghalaya but also other states take example out of what Meghalaya is doing. So I thank the Meghalaya Olympic Association and the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association and Riboy Weightlifting District Association to give us this opportunity, and we look forward to turn this into a great event where not only the athletes are getting a chance but also the coaches.
MeghalayaPost.news